गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। एसकेएलजीडी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट टुडे सो दैट सम query are comes in first assignment, so I will clear doubt this lecture. First question are given: which attribute of body tag specifies the color of an active link in a document? तो a link attribute of a body tag specifies the color of an active link in a document. A link, okay. A link attributes we can use to active link in a document for color specifies the body tag. How is tr tag using? Question number second: how is tr tag using a html document? Tr tag defines the table row in HTML document. tr tag specifies the table row in a HTML document. Okay. Third question is, what is the function of hr tag in HTML? It specifies the horizontal line in a document. It specifies the horizontal line in a document. So it gives the get it gives the attributes of color, size, no shade. Okay. What do you understand by question number 4? What do you understand by HTML tag? HTML tag is the root element of the HTML document. HTML tag is the root element of HTML document and it is a container type tag. It can be HTML document starting tag with closing tag. ठीक, starting tag and with closing tag we can use the HTML tag, so that the HTML tag is the root element of HTML document and we can start with HTML document this tag and ending of HTML document HTML tag. Which at question number 5, which attribute of the a tag takes the URL of the link file? So a tag takes the URL of the linked file. Which attributes? So href hypertext reference attributes is the used to take the URL of the linked file. ठीक, okay. Question number 6, explain the src attribute of img tag. What is the work of src attribute of img tag? src attribute gives the information about the URL address of the image or file path of the image. So we can consider image as in the form of src. This is a source. What is a source? Source file given that the address of image. Okay, so that src attributes of image tag we can use only gives the source file या or address of the image file. To print a plus v का whole square in HTML, which tag is used to display power in expression? To print a plus b का whole square in HTML, which tag is used to display power in expression? Superscript tag sup tag is used to display power in expression. Okay, superscript tag is used to display power in expression. Okay. Write question number 8. Write a HTML code to background image. So that background image means background attribute is used to body tag. Okay. Background image attribute of the body tag specifies the image in a document, background image in a document. So that write a HTML code to background image. Body background is equal to URL address of image. Body background is equal to URL address of image. Okay. Question number 9. Create a two copies. Create a two copies of any 5-line paragraph and apply B tag, TT tag, I tag and U tag in between. Okay. How? We write a 5-line paragraph. We suppose we click on the window accessories button, then we click search notepad, click on the notepad option and open the notepad window. We can write this coding. Okay. HTML head body, sorry, title. Okay. Title is paragraph, then title close, then head close, then body, then paragraph. 5 paragraph we can write so that bold, TT, I and U. Okay. First paragraph is a markup language is defined as a format style in HTML document. Okay. First paragraph complete. Then second paragraph we use bold tag. We use bold tag, markup language is case sensitive. Okay. So that we can bold close. Bold is a container type tag. Okay. Then we can use italic. Okay. Italic so that we can explain the markup language is a case sensitive language. Markup HTML consider as a HTML is not case sensitive. Okay. Then HTML is not case sensitive. Then we can close I italic tag is a container type tag. Okay. Next we can use TT tag, teletype tag, so that HTML full form is HTML stands up hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Okay. Okay. Then TT tag is close. Okay. We can next underline U tag for use underline. HTML create a web design layout page. Okay. Page. So then we can use close, then body paragraph is close, then body close, then HTML close, so that we can this file is save HTML form. So we can write any name in this file. Suppose that sanjana.html. Okay, html forms. This file is saved. This is a view in the display of the web browser. We can see display the view of web browsers, so that processing is start. We can see this is a web browser. So first line is paragraph, normal paragraph we written. Then second is a bold. Bold tag are used in the bold tag are physical text style. Bold tags used in physical text styles. Okay. Then markup language is case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. Italic use, TT tag use, and underline tag we can use. So this is your answer of question 9. You can write this HTML coding. HTML head, title, head, close, body, then paragraph, bold, italic, underline, and TT tags are used in a paragraph line, so that we can display the output of this web page. Okay. Next question is, this is a given that full output and some points are given there, so we can HTML code to generate it. How HTML code generate? These points are generate of a HTML code. So that painting exhibition in India. Title of the page is painting exhibition in India. Okay. So we consider this HTML head and title. Then first is title, painting exhibition in India, written in the form of simple bold. Okay. So this is a heading, है ना? Title is painting exhibition in India. Okay, painting exhibition in India. So write down this coding: painting exhibition in India. Okay, then title is close, head close. Up we see that body tag are given, any body tag या body tag attributes are given in there. The heading text color should be red. First option is given that the heading text color should be red. Text color should be red. So body text color text is equal to red are given there. Okay. Then heading text. So that heading H1, heading is H1. Okay. Heading is painting exhibition in India. It shows the left side, so not use align, not required align, because the H1 attribute align, default align is the left. Okay, so that H1 painting exhibition in India. We can copy this heading, this title heading, Control B, then heading is close. Okay, H1 is close. Next, consider the given that this is a paragraph. It paragraph, then image. Image is the more than paragraph. Can be used, the image is given that this painting is a more for paragraph. We can consider image, other image in this HTML coding, so that we consider the another image and height and width image given that the right side align is right and give the height and width. So img src is equal to, we consider an image, sorry, this image we can open painting. Okay, already painting image given. So this painting image we can open with Internet Explorer. Image src attribute use the source of file. Okay, yeah, address of the jpg file, image file. Then we can consider this image of file, है ना? Control C. Then this is a control B. Align is right. Align is equal to right, right. Okay, align right. Then this close, and body tag already we can close. Okay, this file is saved. Then this file is saved. We can consider output painting exhibition and image is right side. Okay, then we use the paragraph, full paragraph can written, है ना? तो paragraph is P. Consider paragraph given that painting is basically an art of apply many lines are given there, so we can this line copy other documents. We already write in the painting, so we can open, and this lineage, full lineage copy. Okay, painting is the basically, then we can this lineage, okay, copy, control C, and this is a control B. Okay, this is a paragraph we can use, है ना? Painting can be done, br tag can be used. So there, इतना लिखने के बाद अब हमें क्या है, पॉइंट देखने हैं। इसमें बोला हेडिंग टेक्स्ट कलर, ये भी हो गया ये। अब फॉन्ट स्टाइल ऑफ द पेज इज कैलिबरी, फॉन्ट स्टाइल यूज करना है। अब यहाँ बी लिंक कलर शुड बी रेड, ए लिंक कलर शुड बी ऑरेंज। तो बॉडी टैग में हम क्या है, लिंक कलर यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, बॉडी टैग में अब हम क्या करेंगे, लिंक कलर का यूज करेंगे। तो बॉडी बी लिंक इज इक्वल टू रेड and a link should be orange, a link should be orange, a link is equal to orange. ओके, ऑरेंज लेने के बाद अब हमारा क्वेश्चन था फॉन्ट, फॉन्ट दे रखा है तो फॉन्ट स्टाइल कैलिबरी, फॉन्ट फेस इज इक्वल टू कैलिबरी, कैलिबरी। ओके, then we can check any other page are given not. Okay, so that we can consider the this tag complete font is this calibri, and we write then the font tag, है ना? So that we use the font close, font then close tag, because the this is a container type tag. This file we can save, then we check output in this file. Okay, this is a font face calibri. Why? Because of my coding is wrong anything, so that font tag is Calibri and font tag this. Then again file save, again refreshing, this is a printing. Okay, we can use p align is equal to right, p align is equal to RIGST right. Okay, p align right. we can हम टेस्ट को भी यहाँ ग्रीन दिखा सकते हैं। ग्रीन के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे कलर, वी टेक का कलर ग्रीन। ठीक है, ग्रीन के लिए हम कलर ले लेंगे जो कि कैसा होगा, ग्रीन होगा। देन वी कैन फाइल इज सेव p align इज राइट। ओके, देन href is equal to any one beacon down www.google.com या html.com। ओके, अब देखते हैं इसमें पॉइंट कौन सा लिखना है हमें। इमेज के पास जो हमें लिखना था enlarge.html, सॉरी enlarge.html, तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं www.enlarge.html। ठीक, देन we can consider link should be click here to enlarge view, ये भी लिखना है हमें, click here to enlarge view। ओके, तो यहाँ पे लिखा हमने click here to enlarge view। ओके, enlarge view, then a tag is close, then p tag is close। ओके, p tag is close, we can file save। ओके, then this output is not p align, so we can use br tag, we can use br for this। okay, br tag, br क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया है बिलो में आनी चाहिए, किस में आनी चाहिए, बिलो में, है ना। अब देखते हैं क्या लिंक पे इफेक्ट होता है। थोड़ा और br का यूज किया जाए, है ना। जब तक br लगाना है हमें, जब तक कि ये इमेज के बिलो में हमारा लिंक ना आ जाए। ओके, br tag, then we can click the file, this link, ये लिंक यहाँ पे आ चुका है और हमने जो फॉन्ट था पैराग्राफ का वो कैसा कर दिया था, ग्रीन, तो वो हमें यहाँ ग्रीन भी दिखाई दे रहा है। ठीक, अब कोडिंग में बचे हुए हैं हमारे ईमेल आईडी और ये अवेलेबल पेंटिंग्स। ये मैंने लेक्चर नंबर 21 में कंप्लीट बता दिया था, टेबल को हमने कैसे बनाया था, इस टेबल को बना के भी दिखाया है मैंने, तो वहां पे भी ये कोडिंग हम देख सकते हैं। उसके बाद फॉर मोर इंक्वायरी क्लिक हेयर, तो इसमें AHREF लगाना है और ये हमेशा कहाँ आएगा, लेफ्ट साइड में ही आएगा, और मेल टू के लिए यूज करना है। ठीक है ना, ये कोडिंग हमारी यहाँ पे फिनिश होती है। अगर कोई और भी डाउट है तो अगली क्लास में हम जो टेस्ट होने वाला है आज, उस टेस्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। उसके बाद हम एक तरह से HTML कोडिंग के कुछ आउटपुट पेज को कंसीडर करके उन सभी के बाद जितने भी टैग उसमें यूज हो रहे हैं उन टैग के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ये बोल सकते हैं वो तुम्हारे HTML चैप्टर का जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट है उसका पूरा उसमें रिवीजन होगा। ठीक, 2 क्लास ऐसी लेंगे जिसमें पूरा यही रिवीजन हो जाए। ठीक है ना, यही जो टॉपिक दे रखे हैं यही रिवीजन हो जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, आज की क्लास यहीं फिनिश कर